Okay, here are the directions about uploading your video to YouTube. First of all, review the assignment directions just to make sure you've got everything required. At least 90 seconds. Should have 2 transitions, 3 clips, a minimum of 2 stills, some titles. So just check that over, make sure you got everything. We're opening up the tab here which has the assignment. This is the place that you are going to submit it. Notice that there's a rubric. It also tells you how many points are associated with each of the requirements. So make sure you got everything you need. And then over here, get yourself set up, logged into YouTube. If you use Vimeo, similar thing. Make sure that you're logged into your account because you're going to store your video up on Vimeo or YouTube. You're not going to submit it directly into Canvas. Okay, we're opening up Premiere here, just opening up the project. And by now you should be happy with all the edits you've done. Just review, make sure that you've got everything necessary. So you've got some transitions, you got a fade in there, you got a fade up from black here, and a little further along you've got a crossfade. Transitions can be whatever you want. They can all be fades, they can be dissolves, whatever you like. I'm also showing you that you've got a minimum of 2 titles. You're using the BIMA end credit at the end. That's also very important. And that you've paid some attention to the sound levels. You're not just turning in raw audio, but you've actually done a bit of a mix, okay? So now it's time to export, and make sure that you select the window that has the video in it. Go File, Export, Media, and in this window you want to choose Format H.264 and Preset YouTube 1080p. You should change the name of the file to bcst119_ your first initial and your last name, because that is a required file name for this project. And just store it somewhere you can find it easily. Then make sure you hit export. Okay, it will not encode the video unless you hit export. So there it is, it's encoding. It'll take a little while, and then it's now exported. And on my desktop, I am going to go over to YouTube and click on the little sort of camera icon with a plus on it. That's where you upload a video. And then click on the upload arrow and go looking for your file. Select your file, hit open, and it's going to start uploading. And while it's uploading, you can enter in the required descriptions. By the way, make sure this is set to public or unlisted. Do not make this private because I won't be able to see it, so I can't grade it. Okay, so there are a few things that you have to enter in while it's uploading. Here they are: project name, date, length of the video, and such. So I'm just going to paste those in and then answer those questions there. You know, give the project whatever name you feel like giving it, and note down the date, the length, so on and so forth. Meanwhile, YouTube has accepted your video, and it is starting to encode it in its own format so that it'll be able to play it back for our class or for anybody else. So I'm just going to get finished typing in my description comments, and then we ask that you enter a minimum of 5 tags to describe the video. Tags are important so that people who are searching will find, you know, something that they're searching for by finding the tags. So be sure you enter in 5 of those. Once again, make sure you're set to either public or unlisted, and click on publish. Click on publish so that the video will go live. And once that takes, copy the URL given to you by YouTube, come over here, click on the submit assignment, and paste in the URL that you copied from YouTube and hit submit assignment. And there you go. Your job is done. You have uploaded your video, and you have given me the URL as to where I can click and go find the video. As long as it is set to public, or unlisted, I'll be able to find it based on that tag. Thanks.